This is the Nuclear Daiquiri. It was obviously named so because this is a drink that is going to blow your socks off. It was created in the Lab Bar in London in 2005 by the late Gregor de Gruyter. This drink features a high-proof, full-flavoured Jamaican rum, herbal green chartreuse, falernum, and some lime juice. What's the crack? Welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. My name is the Rusty Bartender. Today's drink is the Nuclear Daiquiri, and this one really is going to blow your trunks clean off ye. If you're new here, we are making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Without further ado, let's get making this drink. Grab a cocktail shaker today. To this cocktail shaker, we're going to add 1 full ounce of lime juice, like so. Then we're going to add 1/4 of an ounce of falernum. This is like a kind of allspice liqueur full of cloves, cinnamon sort of flavors, that sort of thing. 1/4 ounce. Then we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. Very easy to find, so people keep telling me. 3/4 of an ounce. This is going to give you some, it's a herbal liqueur. You've got sort of anise flavors, very herbally, very earthy, good stuff. Then the recipe calls for a full ounce of the overproof Jamaican rum. We're using Ray & Nephew overproof rum. As you can see, it's a brand new bottle. I had to order this stuff in. Not readily available in Australia. And this is absolutely potent stuff. Of course, you could make this with a lower proof ABV rum, but that's just going to make it a normal daiquiri pretty much. This is a Nuclear Daiquiri. This is meant, I think, to blow your trunks off. Excited to try this one. Add ice to your shaker. And we're going to give this a really good shake for about 10 to 12 seconds, because you're going to need that sort of little bit of dilution for this. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. And we're going to double strain that into a chilled Nick and Nora or just standard daiquiri martini glass if you've got it. No garnish for this one either, so look at the color of that. No wonder it's called the Nuclear Daiquiri. I'll tell you right now for nothing, the smell of this is potent. You're getting those big funky rum smells. Oof, let's give it a little sip. Right off the bat, you can tell once you drink this is going to be hitting you quick. Get the big funky sort of off banana flavors, I guess, from the rum, but then that little bit of falernum sort of kicks in flavor-wise, so you get a little bit of clove, a little bit of cinnamon coming on the back end. And obviously you get that lime juice, just tying it all together. Interesting, 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. Usually that's a very overpowering flavor, but it's actually quite subtle. It is there right at the back end of your tongue. This is a really interesting one, guys. Give this a go. Nuclear Daiquiri.